Hi all, this is Mary Kate with Touch of Teal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my introduction video where I will introduce a little bit about myself and my business, what I hope to accomplish with my business, and some of the content you'll see on this channel. So Touch of Teal started in 2020. I was laid off my job for the pandemic. I had already been refurbishing furniture on the side for my own house. And then I realized how much furniture was really being thrown away that had good bones. So I made it my mission to refurbish furniture that would have gone into the landfill stream as opposed to, being repurposed. So I repurpose them, fix them, paint them, restore them, and then I resell them in the hopes of making them beautiful again and giving them a second life back out in somebody's home, maybe even your home. So this channel, I'm going to be really honest, I do do a lot of furniture. I do a lot of antiques and vintage furniture. I also specialize in vintage goods, so I'm a vintage good reseller. So there will be some thrift shop videos on here where I'll take you thrifting with me. And I also have, I also do woodworking, free builds, kind of side jobs. I also upcycle decor. So I do a lot of odds and ends. Typically everything down my path leads to upcycling or reusing in some fashion because that's just what I'm passionate about. So I really enjoy doing those things, but one thing I don't enjoy doing at all is creating content. So this channel will be very much minimal editing. I would say this is going to be, a lot of my videos will be more of a live stream type of focus where I'll mark in the videos if I'm doing a specific project or a specific piece. I'll mark it in the video and put it in the comments if you're looking to see me do a specific piece. Otherwise, it'll just be something that's great background noise, great for learning, and great if you are just looking for a video to pass the time. So I hope you'll join me. These next few videos will be actually me getting my workshop together. So in the past, Touch of Teal has been a hobby business for me. I've been in and out of rentals. So I haven't had the opportunity to register my business officially. However, at the beginning of this year, we bought a house and I've got an office and a really awesome workshop with these really cool vintage cabinets. And it's in bad repair. So the next few videos will be of me, probably a time lapse of me getting my workshop together. And then I will start on individual pieces. So I sell locally for furniture, and then I also do vintage market day events. At this point in time, I do vintage market day in St. Louis. So after I get my workshop together, I'm going to start getting some pieces together for my next vintage market day event. So that'll be fun. Kind of the layout I envision on my videos for a specific piece of furniture is, the first thing I'm going to do is introduce the piece, the history of the piece, because I research all my pieces if absolutely possible. I love to get a date of when they were manufactured, the manufacturers, some cool things about them. I love doing that. So I will probably do that for close to every single piece of furniture you see, if they have the marks where I can track them back. So I will give you what piece I'm working on, the history of the piece, the plan of the piece, kind of some learning pointers that we will learn along the way, like are we learning wood repair or about gel stain or how to use Bondo, different things like that. I will introduce also. And then, yeah, I think we'll start there. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Not only will I answer your question, but if it's a good question, I will probably start off my next video by answering your question, because I'm sure you're not the only one who has that question. So, as always, reach out, and I hope you enjoy my content.